Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to show you a quick step on how to whiten the eye. So if you're a retoucher or you are also a beginner and you want a fast way to whiten the eye professionally, so this video is for you. So watch this video till the end to learn. So without wasting much time, let me just show you guys how to do this. So first of all, I'm done retouching this image. So the next thing I want to do right here is to whiten the eye, which I'm just going to pick on the lasso tool. First of all, I'll select the fader to 3 on top of this point right here. So once I select that to 3, I'll now come and select just the eye area, just like this. So while doing this, you need to be very careful so that it will not get in on the skin or any other part. So I'll just select it just like this and be very careful while doing this. So after selecting it like this, what I'm going to use to whiten the eye is the vibrant. So I don't know if you've heard of it, but people do use, some retouchers do use the hue and saturation. It still works perfectly okay, but the vibrance right here is amazing. So let me show you guys. I'm just going to click on it. So after selecting the area right here, you can now see, let me just show you the selection. So you can see it on the layer mask. I'll just click on my command D to deselect, and I'll come right here to the vibrance, which is here. Then I'll now take this slide to minus, like the saturation area to minus. So I'll just take it to when the eye is looking right. So once I'm done with this, you can now see it's kind of looking brown or something, some effect like that. You shouldn't worry. So I'll come to the photo filter, then I'll change this color to blue. So after changing it to blue, make sure you take this part to 5, the density at 5. So once you're done, just merge it, come right here to merge this layer with this one on top. So once you're done with this, I'll just group it. Let me show you the before and after. So this is the before of how it was looking, and this is how it's looking now. So you guys can see how it's simple. So if you think the eye is not really looking bright, you can come to the brightness and contrast. Just take this brightness to, let me see, 3, then also merge it with this other one right here, so you guys can see the before and after, and you see how bright it's looking. So this is the simple step on how to whiten the eye in Photoshop once you're done retouching your image. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please like and also subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial video. But for now, I hope to see you in the next video.